Hi, I'm Russell Desclos in Carborough, North Carolina, and I'm doing a review on the Falteimer Folding Cube for throw lines for TreeStuff.com. This is one of the best cubes I've had to deal with. I've tried numerous different ones from cheap to mid-range, and they always all fall apart. They usually break out on the corners here. When you fold them up, they always wear out right on this center spot, and then over time your throw line just starts falling out in storage and gets in a big knot. This cube, I don't know exactly what type of fabric. It looks like some type of ripstop fabric, but it just holds up. It's well worth the extra money paying for a good cube. I've never had these spans break, or the stiff rods on the inside. They just hold up. You throw them down, twist them open, and they just work. The other ones, they start to get all wobbly and then they fall down. So this is well worth the money, well worth buying one.